Hello, just a quick video, show you my newly installed Alu-Cab ModCAP Camper. Just had this installed last week by Total Truck in Anchorage, Alaska. I've had it out for a couple days now. I'm in Alaska at the Adigan Pass on the Dalton Highway. So as you can see, it's been a pretty muddy ride up. I did sleep in this for the first time last night. Everything was fine. No leaks, no drips, no issues whatsoever. It's a very basic install so far, where I really don't have anything in the interior. I've just got the basics that I needed to bring with me. There is a minimal electrical connection in there, or a second battery, 100 amp hour battery, lithium ion that they installed as well. I'll be adding to it in the future as I decide just how I want to build it out. My main use case for it is I use it as a travel rig. I'm a professional photographer and wanted to have something a little bit more comfortable to travel in, still be able to get to the locations I wanted to get to, hence the Jeep Gladiator, and be able to have a portable studio, if you will, in the back of it, so I can, work on my PC and be able to edit videos and photographs. So far it's working out fine. Definitely notice a little bit of weight on it, and that's only going to add up as I add more to it. But I'll probably keep it fairly light. I can't imagine doing a full build out on it. But yeah, there it is. I'm not sure what else to say about it. I'll show you inside and possibly put up the canopy, the awning, when I stop for tonight. But wanted to show you what it looks like fully dirty, the way these things are intended to be used. If you could, give the video a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and follow along on my adventures as a professional photographer. Thank you. Hello and welcome back. I'm back in the Denali area after taking a trip up the Dalton Highway to Prudhoe Bay. And as I said, I'll give you a quick review of my Alu-Cab ModCAP that I had installed. Now that I've got a nice sunny day, I can open it up for you and give you a little bit better look around of it. So without further ado, here it is. Had a chance to spray it off a little bit and going through Fairbanks. Still a little bit of mud on it that I can get cleaned up later after I'm done with all my travels. Put you on the stand here so I can get this opened up and show you a little bit closer. Hopefully this works. Two latches. To lift it up, you have to give it a little bit of a push. Windows pop open on both sides. It's coming into the back of the canopy. You can see I really don't have it built out now. Just got storage for some tools, camera gear, kitchen and food items, a little bit of water in here, chair. Do have a small electrical system, the lithium ion battery, connected about 100 watts of solar, and a fuse block inserted as well. It also connects to a BC-DC converter under the hood to power off of the car alternator as well, or car generator, I should say. Then you step inside. You see I've got standing room in here. Hard to get it on the camera, but I got standing room. Changing clothes. Got a pull down desk here as well. Just let a little bit more light in. So get a pull down desk, stand up. I can fold it out of the way as well. And then, are you ready for bed? When you're ready for bed, you simply pull down. And there you have it. There's your bed. Plenty of room for sleeping. Very comfortable mattress. It's worked out very well. Spent 4 nights in it on the Dalton Highway in very poor weather. Like I said, I haven't had it built out yet. But I used it for about 4 nights on the Dalton Highway in very rainy, muddy conditions, as I showed you a picture of earlier, of just how muddy the vehicle got. And it was great to sleep in. Didn't have any leaks, didn't have any issues with it whatsoever. Of course, only 4 days, but as I said, it rained almost the entire time. Temperatures down below 40 degrees. I don't have any source of heat in here, and it was fine. It worked out very well for me. So looking forward to doing a little bit of a built out in it. I'll probably put a fridge in here and put a bench seat in it and a place to store my gear where it's a little bit out of the way. And I'll explore different options, and if you've got any suggestions, let me know. As I said, my primary use case for this is actually a bit of an adventure rig. That I'm a professional photographer, and I get out to places to photograph landscape and wildlife. As I said, I'm in Alaska right now, and I use this to get to my locations, spend a few nights in it, do my photography, and then use this as a place to sit and relax and do my editing for my photos and for my videos. So we'll see how it goes in the future. I'll keep you updated. So far, very satisfied with it. Thanks for joining, and see you next time. If you could, please like and subscribe, and get outside and enjoy the day.